Hello, today we are going to talk about uh, a different topic. So, that different topic is, can you hear me? Okay, fine. Today we are going to talk about again fscanf and printer, but today we'll be talking about the binary. So, how to use the binary? Actually, though fscanf and printer are not used for binary, but if we want to use them, what is the process and procedure? It's very simple. Let's go for that. Then we'll talk about the applet and applet. Uh, let's talk about the applet, scanf, and that one. If we want to write the data in binary form, then how to do that? Actually, for binary, we have a special function that is the applet and applet. Mostly we use the applet and applet for binary writing and reading. But suppose if we want to use this scanf and applet, suppose though they don't support, however, if we want to use, then how to go for that? So for that, let's see live demo for this. File pointer. Let's declare the variable name. Uh, let's keep the address as well. So 32. Let's open a file. So file.txt. Since we are going to use the binary, and obviously the writing reading we are going to do both. So what we need there, just we have to put b here inside a double quote, b, yes, that's all. Sometimes what happens, we also need to use the .bin file here, .txt. We have to put the .bin if that is binary file, otherwise it's fine there. Sometimes actually by just putting wb plus it works there. Let's first write the data. So have printf. So file pointer okay. Let's keep this one. Name. Okay. printf data stored successfully. Now what we just need to read the data. So for that uh, we have to use rewind here, that is k. Let's use uh, empty scanner. K s and s name. Let's print that. Let's close the file. Uh, let's save it. Let's run. So here is the output. So first time it is 188 and the address actually it is by register. It is incorrect because we have used white space. So it will be better if we use that puts and appears find there. So this is how we can use the binary. If there is binary, then now let's open the file. So looks like this one. In this way we can use the binary. So first option is b plus. We have to put the means we are going to write as well as read for the b stands for binary, so w stands for writing, and plus stands for the reading. And this is the txt file. Instead of putting txt file, we can also put the .b means binary file. That's also allowed, and we can use in our program. So it's very simple there to use in the binary form. So if you have any question, you can ask me regarding this one. If no question, and now since actually it is displaying only the first part, to display this entire part, what we need there, just let's in the specifier here. Okay, let's go for the output. If it will change the specifier. So we are getting RAM system and the address is carbon 32. Again it is repeating carbon 32. So do you have any confusion here? So it's very simple to use the binary, and just we have to use this one. So nothing more. And actually this fscanf, it is reading entire line, and sometimes it is unable to uh, read the data, like look here, it is printing the data, but it is repeating that. So to prevent that, we have to use the name and address individually, like first name, then middle name, then surname. And in this way, we can also do that. And another option is that we have to use the app cares and the app codes. It would be better to read data. So we have to use the app cares, and it is quite helpful instead of using. So this is how it works here, or what we can do here. So let's remove this part as so this one. So we are getting the output. So okay. That's all, nothing more. So it is only displaying the output. So it would be better if we store the data uh, in multiple variables, first name, middle name, and the surname. So this is how it works. Nothing more we have to do there. I hope you also work this one. Now let's talk about some more options here. So it was about this fscanf using binary. Just we have to put b plus and nothing more we have to do here. So next is fwrite and fread for binary writing and reading. So what is this fwrite and fread? Fwrite means obviously, as the name says, writes the data, and fread it is the data. And actually fwrite and fread they are popular for the binary writing and the reading. So whenever we want to store the data in any binary format, then we have to use this fread and fwrite. If it says for reading and writing of data blocks. So function is to write block of data. Mostly it uses structure. Without structure also can be used. So syntax looks like fwrite, then add a subvariable, size of structure. So how many records we want to write that, and the name of pointer we are using. So looks like this one. It's very simple. This is the address of the variable we are going to use there. The data structure we want to write. This is the size of variable b of the structure, and this is how many records we want to read or write. So quite simple. And pt is the file pointer we are using for the file. Next is the fread. Fread just opposite to fwrite. So what it does, it reads the block of bytes from the data file. It's stored using structure, and syntax is just like write. So first we have to put fread, then we have to put the inside the parenthesis address of variable, size of this one, number of record, and the file pointer. So that's all. It's very simple. So let's write the data. Then we'll assign kill value. Okay, let's keep a variable here. So b now main uh, let's keep a file pointer. So b dot name integer address. Let's write the data. So name of variable is b, So we have to put the address, size of view. We are going to use only one. Name of pointer is key. So we have stored the data. That's all. Let's save it. Okay, let's close the file. Save it. An issue here. Quantified refers to where close. Okay, here is a problem. FCLOSE. Okay. So internet. Let's give a name here. Single. So Raja. Address. Yes. So data is stored successfully. We can check it. It's very simple. Now let's see actually how actually the data is stored. Open the file. So look here. I say it suppose was a txt and binary. If you mostly actually app write and app read store the data in binary form, though actually it is not displayed. So this is how we go for that, and we can also put a b if we need that binary without also actually it is the data in binary form, and for that it is offline. So you can see app write ptr size minimum. So that's all, nothing more we have to do here. We can also use the bin file if we need here. Actually, every write is suppose both that is text file as well as binary. We can also put here b, and we can also put here bin. That's all, nothing on that. And if we want to read the data, so what we need there, let's put here rewind. Okay, and read. Let's do copy and paste entire part. So f write. Now we have to print the value. So printf name equals to s, address equals to s, is the name address. That's all. Let's run the program. Share also b.name, b.address. Okay. So internet, Sunil, address. That's all. So look here, name Sunil and address New Plaza. It's very simple to store the data and read the data. Actually, mostly it prefers binary, and it also supports the text. Both we can use it, but right now we are in the text file. If we want to go for the binary, we have to put the B. So B we have to put it, and it starts working. So let's change the name here. One. Let's use the binary. Okay, B plus. Let's save it. Let's run the program. Internet, Susan, address. So here is output Susan. Nothing more and more. Nothing more is it. Now let's see file1.txt. How the file1 looks like. So it's very simple. Looks like as usual. But suppose what will happen there if we use a bin file, that is binary file. So Sanjay address yes. So here is the output Sanjay address USA. Now let's go for the output. Here is bin file. It's very simple, looks like same, but actually computer thinks as a binary file. So nothing more we have to do here. And this is how actually we can work with the structure, and there is F read and F write. I hope you also about this one. If any questions, let me know. If no question, fine then. Okay, this was about the structure. It's very simple for the binary writing. And that's random writing also we can say that. F write and F read actually they are popular mostly when we go for the random data storing and the reading. So they are more efficient than other functions. So what's the difference between that binary as or a text file? So fwrite and readRTP is for binary files, but also can be used for the text files. Fread and fwrite both support that txt file as a binary file. And in the case of binary database, this function works with a block of data. So it is faster for the larger files compared to the printf and fscanf. Data is read and written starting at the address of a switching hardware pointer, so ensure proper allocation alignment of memory. Always we have to open the file in appropriate mode like so writing and the reading. If there is binary, if there is only text file, then fine. We have to use only .txt. This B is not needed to be there. When using both functions in same program, be cautious of the file pointer buffering. We can also use AppSec and plus as literature for transitions. So this was about the concept, and that is in mm, uh, app read and app write. So, so any query here? Okay, this was for today, and tomorrow we'll write some programs as a practice session uh, from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And tomorrow we'll see actually how to write the code. It will be a practice for your exam, and as well as uh, if we are going to develop an application then. So thank you, take care, and if you have any questions, you can use the chat box. You can join me. You can share with your friends, uh, and obviously subscribe the channel if you think that it was helpful for you. You can share with your friends and tell them to join. Okay, take care. We'll see again on this platform tomorrow at 4 p.m.